Hello everybody, it's Mike Kirby with Made in the Shade, and I wanted to show you some exterior shutters today. We're installing lifetime warranty exterior shutters from the New Horizons Shutter Company. They're out of South Carolina, Charleston to be exact. These are black shutters with a lifetime warranty, traditional louvers, and you see down here they have the S-hook hold down. Okay, that's a kind of traditional hold down, and we have several others like a propeller hold down and even what's called a rat tail hold down from like New England style. But you get a choice of colors. These are two-part epoxy primed and coated system to give you that lifetime paint, and then the structural warranty has to do with the sides. I'll get in real close here. This is actually aluminum, okay? And then these are weatherproof, a fiberglass composite material. So between this painted aluminum core that goes all the way down and across here, and then these waterproof louvers, and then I'll give you a close-up of this S-hook hold down. That's how you get the lifetime warranty on these shutters. And then we do, right, I'm gonna give you a little peek in the back here. There's an acorn hold down that's stainless steel, and you can just barely see it, but that's also helping hold that shutter in place. So again, it's Mike Kirby with Made in the Shade here in Little Rock, Arkansas. These are premium exterior shutters, so you're never gonna have maintenance. You're never gonna repaint them. You're gonna spray them off with a garden hose once a year. And we're in Little Rock, Arkansas. Cheers.